Hey guys, we are back with another recipe. My mom made this spicy aloo during Navratri, and I'll be honest, as a hardcore non vegetarian, I always struggle by day 2. I feel like I'm running out of options. But my mom somehow always has so much variety with vegetarian food. She gets so creative, and this spicy aloo she made was so good. Honestly, you don't even need to wait for Navratri for this. It's one of those dishes you can have anytime you're craving something vegetarian or something with potatoes. Keep watching to see how it all comes together. And if you enjoyed this recipe, do like and subscribe. We're gonna keep coming back with more of my mom's delicious recipes.